part 2 of Google Calendar training with Mr. Krasnov. I'm going to give you some more advanced tips on how to save time and add calendars to your own calendar. Okay, so if you're just doing your calendar, it will be a little bit tedious to add every single event one at a time. But if you're receiving shared calendars, that is a much easier way to maximize efficiency. Okay, so if we're looking right now at just my calendar screen. So only my personal calendar is displaying. And if you want to add a calendar, you have to know the address or receive an invitation from the person sharing it. Well, one way you can find calendars is through Moodle. And suppose your teacher has a Moodle calendar embedded on their class. There is an easy way to add a calendar. This happens to be English Pre-AP with Miss Dees. You'll see that her calendar displays on her Moodle page. And there is a little plus Google Calendar, which means add a Google Calendar to yours. And if you click on it, it will open up your calendar, and you should get a little dialog box. There it goes. Actually, I didn't get the dialog box, but it sometimes asks you to, do you want to add the calendar? And you just say yes. Okay, so now you can see in the sidebar, there's the English Pre-AP, and I can click it, the class disappears. If I click it again, it comes back. Okay, so these are all the assignments that happen to be this week in that class. And let's just go ahead next week and we'll see there's a project due. Okay, so with this, if we click on the event, this gives us a couple options. One, I can add this to my calendar, okay, or I can just set a reminder for this major assignment. So if I click on add reminder, I can then send an email. Let's just say I'm going to do it one day before, and just like we did in the previous one, you now have a reminder set, and then you can save the event. Okay, so that really does make things a lot easier. And so my advice is to find your teacher's class calendars and then add them to your calendars, and then from there add reminders. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for listening.